My friends, I don't think I can speak about that. Let's move on swiftly. Page 7, A to Z ad of celebs over 100 COVID days. So, hapo hivi nakwambia ni kama Smita has done that thing. Fanya ile kitendo of just talking about some of the artists who've been really seen on this scene. Umesikia? Seen on this scene.
You're rhyming, you're on fire today.
It was spoken word, by the way. Thank you very much. I'd like to thank my mom. But Aziad is one of the people who've been talked about. So it's like an A, B, C, D, the alphabet of what the artists have been doing. And I don't know, like, where we're excited about kusoma about nani.
Let me see, we have, let me read about Big Ted. He represents the state's efforts to finally get artists grants through their 100 million initiative and will soon be part of the Selkov Celebrity Cookbook. 100 million. Bado haijanifikia Big Ted. I don't know what's happening.
Wewe ni msanii?
Hey.
Watu wametumiwa pesa. There's a friend of mine who received 50K.
Bros, it must be nice.
So who are your friends?
Who are my friends? I need to restart rethinking myself. Ama nitoe album pia.
Ringtone has been talked about. Well played in staying relevant, my friend, for featuring Aziad in your video, to suggesting Bahati may be queer in your beef. That's crazy. Because Bahati is married. Now, kwanza kweka hizo the Q question marks if he's queer or not.
It's a question mark. It's queer.
Queered. Huda Mungu has been talked about. Governor Alfred Mutua, you want to check out Jalas on this. Vanessa Mdee is also a kwapevi. They have talked about her pregnancy.
Check.
Or is it just a pregnancy?
Is it? Is
Let's
it there?
move on and see. Aziad has been featured on Pulse magazine on the Attitude. And she looks amazing. Look at her.
The suits are to die for. These are all power looks, something that I would personally want to wear. And she's really represented herself in all spaces as, you know, a fun young lady and also, a young professional as well. And I'm very happy for her. And everything that, you know, is happening in her life during this 2020 madness that is COVID.
Ametupea na tumewezana.
Tumewezana.
Ametupea looks. I don't know what you're thinking about.
Moto kabisa.
But she looks really nice. Nasikia kuna pink na kuna mauve na kuna hey.
Ati pink na nini?
Mauve.
Mauve.
M-A-U-V-E.
Situache.
Hey, kuna
Black
tofauti.
iko wapi?
And jungle green is right here. But the finer details of it, I think you should grab your copy of Power Play, of Pulse, and get to see this segment called Power Play by Esther Moshene. Kona Moshene. I have to say that every week. Mpaka kutane na mimi anikataze.